In this video, we will tell you the 10 signs that show you will get rich very soon. All the multi-billionaires have these signs in common. I saw these signs in many of my friends, and they got rich within just 6 months. If you see any of these 10 signs in you, then be sure that you are going to get rich. Watch this video till the end, or you may miss some most crucial tips. Now let's start. 1. You act as if you have no money even when you have. Although you do have money, you live as if you do not have any, despite the fact that you have. For as long as I can remember, I've been trying to do this. There are times when I should not spend the money that I earn, just because I have a little bit more of it. When it comes to my expenditures, I make it a point to maintain a consistent level. You are engaging in the practice of delayed gratification if you are doing that, and you do not spend an additional $100 or $1,000 just because you have it. That you are not connecting your happiness to your possessions is the implication of this. This is a 100% positive sign. 2. You regularly and punctually pay your debts. There are around 32% of people in the United States who have paid their bills late in the prior 6 months. If, on a regular basis, you are paying all of your obligations on time, and you have not incurred any bad debt, then you are in a comfortable financial position. You will be able to begin saving money and making progress in your financial path if you are able to continue to take steps to increase your income and reduce your spending. To add insult to injury, you are most likely avoiding the hidden inflation that I will talk about later. Do press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. 3. You do not make rash purchases. You have taken the appropriate steps toward achieving your financial goals if you have been able to refrain from making impulsive purchases or upgrading on a whim to a new phone, laptop, automobile, apparel, or any other frivolous item that you can buy that is new and better. When it comes to living a modest lifestyle, it is the first step, and it has had a significant influence on everyone's life. You should stop making purchases on impulse if you are doing now. You may also use the 30 days rule. With this rule, you write a thing you are willing to buy and forget it for, then you look at it after 30 days, and if you feel it important, you buy it, and if not, you just let it go. 4. You are a follower of several financial advisors. As I did when I was just starting out on my trip, you are on the correct path if you follow, obsess over, and study content providers, podcasts, and books on financial matters. Your development will begin to accelerate as soon as you begin to put what you are learning into practice. 5. You have a reserve for unexpected expenses. It is of the utmost importance to have a reserve prepared for unexpected expenses. Such a large number of individuals do not own one. There is a significant reduction in the level of stress that you are experiencing if you have a fund that contains at least 1 to 6 months' worth of living costs, and you are now working on building that fund. In the event that anything unfortunate occurs with your vehicle or for any other reason, you are aware that you have a cushion, and you will not be able to incur debt as a result of it. 6. You have a strategy for making investments. In spite of the fact that you are not currently investing, it is possible that you have a plan. It's possible that you're putting money aside with the desire to begin investing it. Due to the fact that I had been saving for a couple of years in order to purchase my first rental property, see picture, I was also saving in order to begin investing. I was able to acquire other rental properties after I made that investment since it began to multiply after I made it. 7. Money is a topic that you discuss. Despite the fact that the majority of us spend our time working for money, we never discuss this topic. At first glance, it seems that we are embarrassed by it. If, on the other hand, you surround yourself with individuals with whom you can discuss financial matters, to whom you can pose questions, and to whom you can learn from their errors, as well as from your own, then you will be in a good position. My discovery of a community of individuals with whom I could discuss the FIRE, financial independence, retire early, movement, and the concept of financial independence served as a significant impetus for me to acquire further knowledge and to do additional actions. 8. You paid cash for your automobile purchase. Cars are one of the most significant factors that contribute to the loss of wealth. A cash purchase of a vehicle is one of the most financially astute decisions you can make since it allows you to avoid the costs of car payments and leases. The guideline that I follow is that if you are unable to purchase anything with cash, then you should probably not purchase it. If you are also a follower of this same ideology, then you are obviously doing well financially. 9. You have set a goal of saving 50% of your income. The majority of people suggest a percentage that falls somewhere between 15 and 20%. However, this is far more than that. It will have a significant influence on your financial future if you are able to save or work to save 50% of your salary, which is something I am aware is doable since I have been able to do so on a higher than average income. In order to determine how much your savings rates matter in order to enable you to retire a lot sooner, you may play around with an early retirement calculator. Reducing your expenditures and increasing your income are both beneficial. It is estimated that around 90% of individuals would never attempt to perform anything like this. Since I started working 5 years ago, one of my primary objectives has been to put aside at least 50% of whatever I earn. 10. You are able to prevent inflation in your lifestyle. This is the most significant loss of money for the majority of individuals. When individuals have more money, they are able to make larger purchases, such as upgrades to their automobiles, improvements to their wardrobes, and even larger apartments. That is a really alluring proposition. When you have more funds, you find yourself wondering why you should not go out to dinner more often or purchase a more luxurious residence. To put it another way, there are those who earn a lot of money yet still live paycheck to paycheck. You have this mindset because you believe that the more money you earn, the more you need to demonstrate to other people that you are effective in dealing with situations. You are in a solid financial position, however, if you are content with the fact that you are the billionaire next door and do not feel the need to brag about it to everyone. Most of my friends just live paycheck to paycheck. They have over $300,000 per year salary. It's obviously a trait of poor people to spend all their money and save nothing. You are really doing good if you are not living paycheck to paycheck. That's all for today. Now you know all the science that shows you could become rich very quickly. If you see this sentence in you, then be sure that you are going to get rich. Do hit the red subscribe button below if you have not done yet. We upload amazing financial videos daily which will make you financially educated and will help you to get rich very soon. Press the like button also if you loved watching this video and learned something new. Share this video with all of your friends, relatives, and all others for them to learn. Tell me in the comments how many signs you saw in yourself. I saw many people with these signs who actually got rich within just 6 months. All the millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and all others have these signs in common. People with these signs generally become rich. You may say this as magical signs. Millionaires also have a common sign that is they invest their money. Common people also invest their money, but not strategically. Millionaires hide some common secrets in themselves. They never tell people about these secrets. If you don't see any sign in you, then you must follow the secrets of the millionaires, but the problem arises is that you won't find these secrets anywhere. But we have researched a lot and found out a few of their secrets which could actually make you rich. Click on the video appearing on the left side to watch it. Thank you.